Welcome back, children. Now we'll start with the 3.5 exercise. The first question, LCM by prime factorization method. Students, we have done prime factorization method in HCF also. The same method we will follow here also. So the first question is 108 and 141. So 108, 141, find the factors of prime with the prime factors. Okay, we will find out the prime factors with the prime numbers. So the prime factors are 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay, 141, the prime factors are 3 and 47. Okay, now the difference between HCF and LCM, just look at HCF. In HCF also we have used the same method. We have just used the prime number to find out the factors. Then what we have done, we just find out the common factors and we multiplied that common factor and we got our answer. But the LCM is little bit different. Here also the first thing we will find out the common factor. Here we have two numbers, so we'll find out the common factor in both the sides. So 3 is a common number. Okay, so we'll write 3, 1, 3, the common number. Then after that, the rest of the single number also we will write here. The single factors which are left. 2, 2, 3, 3, 47. 2, 2, 3, 3, 47. We'll write, multiply all the numbers now and you will get your LCM. This is your answer. Now 98, 147. Find out the factors, prime factors of 98, then 147. Here are the factor of 98, 277, 147, 737. Now common factor. So here 7 in common in this both the side, we'll write the 7. Then here also 7 is common, write the 7. The single number left, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Multiply all these numbers, you will get your LCM. Now the third question is, here we have three numbers. So find out the factors of 75, 125 and 225 by using prime numbers. So the factors are 535, 535, 555, 5533. Now we have three numbers here. So first of all, we will find out the common factors in all three. Now common factor in all this 5. Then this 5 is common in all three. Now after 3, we will find out the factors which are common in any two numbers. So this 3 is common in two numbers. So we will write their common number also 3. Now after that, single number left 5 and 3. We'll write 5 and 3, then multiply all these numbers. You will get your answer. Next is 60, 72, 96, factor of 60, factor of 72, factor of 96. Now the factors are, these are the factors. Now again three numbers, so find out the factor. They are common in 3. 2, we'll write 2, then again 2, 2, then again 3 is common in all three, write 3. Then after that, we'll find out the number which is common in any two numbers. So this 2 is common in both the sides here. Then after that, we have single number. Then we have 2, 2, 3 and 5. 2, 2, 3 and 5. Now just multiply all these numbers, you will get your answer. Next, 92, 828, 2484. So find out the factors. These are the factors. Common in 3, 2. Then again 2. Then we have 23. Then now common in 2. This 3. This 3. And now we have left with the 3. Only this 3. Single number 3. We'll write this 3 and then calculate. You will get your answer. So students, this is your question number 1 of exercise 3.5. Now question number 2 we'll just do in the next video. Thank you very much.